Today I'll show you how you can add OnTime into your Microsoft Teams by using the Admin Center. Firstly, you'll need to log into the Admin Center to get to here. From here, you'll have to click on the Manage Apps under the Teams Apps section. Click on the Upload New App and upload the existing zip file that you've previously made. If you've not made this earlier, check out the installation and configuration manual on our website. You've now successfully uploaded the app for starters. Next up, we're going to head to Permission Policies to add a policy. Now we're going to need to give it a name, and in this case, I'm going to call it Demo OnTime. From there, we head down to Custom Apps and click on the Allow Specific Apps and block all others. Click on Allow Apps and search for the app that we just downloaded earlier. Click Add and allow and save to finish. We have now successfully added the permission policies and can now move on to the Setup Policy section. From here, we need to click Add and write the name once again. From here, we click on Add Apps, select the app, and write the name, followed by clicking Add. What we've now essentially done is that we have allowed your organization to add the OnTime Group Calendar app into your Teams environment. So what we could do from here is just click Save and we're good to go. But if you want to add OnTime to the Teams bar directly when adding in the app, you're also able to do that in the Pinned Apps section down here. Click on Add Apps and repeat the previous process. When this is done, you're able to move OnTime around to the preferred placement in the Teams app bar. To finish, you click Save. And like the text box suggests, these are only the default settings and they are easily adjustable for the individual user. And if you're wondering how you can manage who gets to access the app in your organization, you can go back to the permission policies, mark your policy, click Manage Users, and add the people you will want to be able to access the app. I hope this helped you integrate your OnTime Group Calendar into your Microsoft Teams environment. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.